All right, now we are on deck 5, midship. Lots of signage, you'll notice. Keep each other safe. Face masks are required in all public areas. And they do advise you when taking the elevators, only 4 people at a time or your group only. So you'll see a lot of signage around the ship letting you know what the current health and safety protocols are. All right, so here for deck 5. We have the 3rd floor entrance here to Sapphire. All right, we're gonna head over in towards the promenade. Then we'll start over here on the right. So here on the right, you have guest services, and you also have the shore excursions desk. Right over here on deck 5. You have the champagne bar here. This is where, of course, you get all of your watches. They have the watches, the different jewelry and stuff in this shop here. You have the Azumi, which is a specialty restaurant. And I can show you the menu for Azumi. Over here on the right side, kind of come back, they have stop on both sides. You have the general store here, which is going to be your duty-free shop, where you're going to have alcohol, sundries, cigarettes will be found here in the general store. This is going to be your alcohol. You can get rum cakes in here. They got some snacks, chips, some sundry items, just in case you forgot anything. Plenty of alcohol choices. In here, and your cigarettes and cigars can all be purchased here. Then you have the Royal Caribbean logo souvenir shop for anything and everything Royal Caribbean logoed. You'll get in here shirts, shorts, hats, bags, toys, magnets. All that can be found in this store. And as like the name says, this is where you're going to find everything with Royal Caribbean logos on it. And they got t-shirts, ship models, cups, lanyards, a little bit of everything in this store. Got stuff for the kids. You can get Royal Caribbean Hawaiian shirts. You can get magnets, keychains, jackets. You got hats, clothing, purses, bags. And I said just about anything and everything you could want that says Royal Caribbean on it. They have it in this store here. You can get something that says Adventure of the Seas. Even let you know the ship can hold 3,807 guest capacity. You get specific shirts with Adventure of the Seas on it, hats, and of course they sell masks. Alright, then you have the Duck and Dog Pub. This is your English pub. They'll have some music in here. Sports on TV. Lots of seating out here in the promenade. Alright, then right across you have the Perfume. Right across you have the Perfume and Cosmetics. Name is kind of self-explanatory. Has all your different perfumes. Definitely smells like perfume and cosmetics in here. You have the machines here, the Freestyle Coke machines. If you have the soda drink package, these are two of the machines that are located here on deck 5. And you just bring your cup down here, put it in there, get your drink. But this is where you'll do that on deck 5. These are located on 2 spots on the ship, here on deck 5, and then up on deck 11 in the Windjammer buffet. Alright, continuing on, you have your Ben & Jerry's. You have your Cafe Promenade. This is where you can get your coffee. And now this is Starbucks coffee here at this location. Then you have the Cafe Promenade. This is where you can get your pizza. They'll have snacks, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they're open really late for snacks. You just need a quick bite, small sandwich. You can come here to the Cafe Promenade and get that. They do have a car here. Located here in the Cafe Promenade. So you can come in here. This is also where you can come. Now, the Cafe Promenade is included in the price of your cruise fare, so it's no additional charge to come here. And you can also come here and get coffee. So they have coffee down there, they have water. And you do that here at Cafe Promenade. Across from that, we have the fashion boutiques, clothing, purses, bags. This is going to be purses, sunglasses, jewelry is what you'll find here in this store. Couple clothing items. Just give you a quick tour of everything going on in here. Got some shoes, some shirts, some hats. But this is the fashion boutique on Deck 5. Alright, then we're going to keep moving forward on Deck 5. We have the Imperial Club up there. Let's see. We have to go around. Check these guys out right here. Okay. Alright, so this is the Imperial Lounge. I like the theming in here. But in here you'll have, they do shows, comedy shows, they do karaoke. Several different things here are done in the Imperial Lounge. Like I said, just look at you can see the art and the sculptures on the wall, even the columns in here. Come through the Imperial Lounge. The stage area is right there. Of course, full bar service. And also here at the Imperial Lounge is the entrance to the card room. Oh. Come in here. And as the name suggests, this is where you would come if you wanted to play some cards. They have the cards and everything here in the room for you if you need them. Listen, this is just to come and play some cards here on Deck 5. Alright, so there is one more section to show everybody here on Deck 5. Okay, we're going to go back down to Deck 4 in order to get up to the outside section on Deck 5. So I'm going to head that way. Alright, to show you the other portion here of Deck 5, we have to come back down here to Deck number 4. You come outside on Deck number 4. Deck 4 forward. You take a right. Now you can go out on either side, but you take a right or left. And you're going to come over to these stairs. Going to take us back up to Deck 5 to the outside portion, which is going to be the helicopter pad and the viewing area off of the bow. So we're going to come up here. Alright, so now we are back on Deck number 5. Probably gonna get windy up here. But this brings you up here on deck 5. You go up these stairs. Right here. And so that puts you on the helicopter pad. There are benches you can sit on right up here. And you can go right up here to the very bow of the ship. And if you want some very upfront personal views, you definitely can get those up here. So you can turn around. See the bridge section up there. See if I can zoom in on the bridge a little bit. You have the bridge right up there. There we go. See the bridge section. Alright, now we're going to head back down here on the other side. So you can either access it or leave from either side. Both of them will take you back down to deck 4, which is where you'll have to go back inside the ship. And back down the stairs we go. Okay, we're now back on deck 4. We'll head inside and move on up to deck number 6.